So here we are, we're outside the Rose and Crown in Tewin for the inaugural classic car meet. Tony and I thought we might get, I don't know, a dozen cars, but we've absolutely filled the place up, which is hilarious. There is every single sort of car, classic and sports car, that you might want to have a look at. Lovely little Fiat X19, my friend, this lovely E-Type in the corner, soft top GTI. There's even a few normal cars that people are wondering what's going on probably. Nice Caterham there, Super Sport, 140 brake horsepower, very nice. Ferrari, the Peugeot here. My mate Dan's done a great job of making that a bit quicker. This is obviously midget corner here. In fact, it's MG corner because we've got a lovely, beautiful old MG as well. Mini Cooper. John and Sue's fantastic AC Cobra. 450 brake horsepower, very nice Datsun. Vitesse, used to have a red Herald myself, that's a beautiful car. What else have we got? A couple of bikes have turned up, a couple of Harleys, really nice old BMW. Lots of TBRs actually, I think we've had 3. There's some nice American cars. There's my Healy, another MG, Tony the Carpet's GTA. You want to have a look at this engine. It's pretty fierce, 250 brake horsepower. Ah, it's Mix Alpha, that's pretty fierce as well. Another of Tony's cars, he's got 2 of them up here today. We've got some wonderful old classics here. So there's an amazing cross section, even got a Mini Moke. Simon's beautiful Porsche. This is my favourite, I have to admit though. The Volvo 1800. And we've got a lovely Carmen Ghia. Yeah, there you go. So that's the Tewin Classic and Car Meet. It's the 3rd Saturday of the month from 1 o'clock till 2:30. You'd be welcome to come, although next time we do it people will probably be parking out on the green, but you'd be very welcome to come. Look forward to seeing you.